morning! Welcome to another video of one of my favorite recipes is yung Spareribs with Tausi. It's also the favorite of my children. So we have Belle there. Umalis na siya. Ayan. Okay, so yun. Napakadaling potahe, simpleng gawin. Anytime you can prepare it easily. And it's good for the whole family. My kids love it. Usually, pag mga kids natin, iba parang gusto lang nila prito-prito, fried chicken, and nuggets, and things like that. Pero with this recipe, they have learned to love it. And my husband love it. I love it. So everybody will love it. I hope you will love it too. So, simulan na natin. Let's cook Spareribs with Tausi. And it has a twist. No, it's not the usual recipe that we find online. So, pag mami, ito po ang ating recipe for today. Okay, so syempre sa ating Spareribs with Tausi, gagamit tayo ng garlic, ginger, and onion. And of course, our Spareribs, ang ating tokwa na hindi ko prinito. At syempre ang ating Tausi or black beans. At gagamit din tayo ng Kum Kee premium soy sauce, our apple cider vinegar, at syempre ang ating partner sa kusina, dato puti, suka. Okay, so yung special dito sa Spareribs with Tausi ko is I've used this premium soy sauce ng Kum Kee. Actually, marami na akong toyo na nagamit. Pero simula nung nagamit ko tong Kum Kee premium soy sauce, mas lalong ginanahan kumain ng pamilya ko. They love everything that I cook with this Kum Kee premium soy sauce. Medyo hindi lang, of course, mas mahal siya sa ordinary toyo, but the thing is, if you want to keep your dishes special and flavorful, more flavorful in fact, I suggest na ito yung gamitin natin. Well, lahat naman alam natin na pagdating sa Kum Kee, di ba, masarap, pero itong premium soy sauce na to is great for anything that is soy based, specifically yung ating spare ribs. Okay, so we're halfway done with our cooking. Medyo malapit na maluto yung spare ribs natin. Ayan na yung usok, ang gandang effect. Ngayon, kung gusto yung magpa-spa, facial spa, maganda rin kapag nagluluto kasi meron kayong free steam na pwede gamitin. But anyway, so yun, we're going to continue with our cooking. And we're already going to add the remaining ingredients of our spare ribs with Tausi. Okay, to continue our cooking, syempre natuyo-tuyo ng konti yung sabaw, so we're going to add broth from the spare ribs, yung pinakuluan ng spare ribs natin kanina. So, dagdag pang lasa yon. And then, of course, we're going to put our tokwa. Mas gusto kong hindi prito yung tokwa sa spare ribs with Tausi kasi mas malasa siya. Para kasi nawawala yung lasa ng tokwa kapag prinito. So, hindi naman siya tokwat baboy, diba? So, kaya mas gusto ko yung ganyan, yung hilaw, yung fresh na tokwa na ilalagay natin sa spare ribs with Tausi. At saka masarap kasi dahil sinisip-sip ng tokwa yung sauce. And of course, we're going to add our black beans o yung Tausi. Depende sa alat na gusto nyo. Careful lang po, huwag kaagad ilagay yung isang buong can kasi baka maging sobrang maalat naman. So, tansya-tansyahin lang natin. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo pa ng feeling nyo, medyo matabang pa, konting alat pa, so you could add more. But definitely, we have to measure. Ayan, pakukuluan lang natin ulit. So, while waiting for our spare ribs with Tausi, siguro konting chika-chika muna tayo mga mothers out there, mga nanay, mga ating mga eco-nanay. So, actually, a few people are asking me na mag-try daw akong i-video yung mga cook recipes ko or mga niluluto ko kasi I find it parang satisfying to show my recipes or whatever I cook on Facebook. And then a lot of my friends are asking me, ano raw ba yun, paano ba lutuin, and things like that. So I've decided to come up with these videos na hopefully makatulong sa mga nanay na katulad ko na nagtatrabaho pero still find time to cook for their family. Kasi alam natin na talagang hinihintay nila yan. And if it's weekend, pag walang pasok, like now, it's Sunday. So Sunday is a special day for my family and it means that I will be cooking for them. Kaya gusto ko rin i-share yung mga recipes na natutunan ko sa mami ko, sa biyanan ko, and sa mga napapanood ko, and come up with something na mas magiging easily adopted by my family kasi syempre kanya-kanyang taste naman yan, diba? Pero I think this one, yung mga recipes na ginagamit ko is very adaptable to all kinds of family, yung taste ninyo kasi it's very simple and we're actually yung simple lang, yung parang madali lang lutuin, hindi yung kailangan parang hard sell from the cookbook or whatsoever. So, just try it and I'm sure your family will love it as well. Ayan, so to continue with our cooking, so kumukulo na yung ating spare ribs with Tausi. So a little trivia lang po sa ating Tausi or black beans, ano, it's actually heart healthy. It has no cholesterol, so whatever cooking you have, pag may black beans, healthy cooking po yun. So, don't worry about it. Except, of course, wag lang masyadong mapaalat. And in China, lalo na sa Cantonese and Sichuan cooking, it's very, very common. So, we are going to add 1 tablespoon sugar para lang po ma-balance yung tamis at asim natin. So, konting tamis and alat, yung para ma-balance yung alat. And do you know na para mabawasan yung alat, kunwari na sobrahan tayo ng alat sa pagluluto, you just add sugar, parang neutralizer siya para mawala yung alat and then maremedyohan. Kaya nga it's advisable na mas magandang unti-unti natin maglagay ng pangpaalat kaysa remedyohan kasi yeah. But anyway, if you need to remedy, then we have the sugar. And of course, this is the twist that I'm telling you. I'm going to add Kum Kee Sesame Oil. Konti lang naman. Just to add a little flavor. Parang iba kasi yung dating, lalo na if it's an Oriental cooking or Chinese cooking, masarap talaga kapag may sesame oil. And that's one of the secrets of my spare ribs with Tausi. So, I add sesame oil. Ayan. Konting pepper. Para konting anghang. So, I use freshly ground pepper kasi iba yung lasa pag freshly ground. Meron lang tayong grounder, of course. So, ready na ang ating spare ribs with Tausi. Pwede na tayong kumain ng ating tanghalian. Okay, so yan. Nandito na po tayo sa ating dining table. Ready to eat our lunch for today. Yung spare ribs with Tausi. And syempre, yung pinagpakuluan ng sabaw kanina, ng spare ribs, so pwede pa rin natin gawin siyang sabaw, huwag natin itapon. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting sinigang powder para maging sinigang soup na paborito ng aking mga anak. So, yun. So, hope you like our recipe, spare ribs with Tausi, and hope your family will love it too. What to eat, Belle? What do you want to eat? Sinigang. You don't want this Tausi, yan, spare ribs. Just this sinigang powder. Sinigang powder, sinigang soup. Okay? You say happy eating!
Happy eating.
So yun, so next time po, mag-feature naman po tayo ng merienda, of course. Siyempre, kailangan kids-friendly kasi mahirap pa kainin ng merienda ang mga anak-anak natin, diba? So, I'll come up with something na magugustuhan ng mga bata. And of course, tried and tested na siya, siyempre, for my own children. And also, we are going to feature our Signature Gourmet Burgers by Gustavo's Burgers. So sa mga nagtatanong po kung kailan kami ulit mag-o-open ng Gustavo's Burger, hintay-hintay lang po ha, konting hintay lang. But definitely we will be reopening soon. Sa mga nagme-message po sa Facebook page namin, mag-message lang kayo. Pero we don't accept orders for now. But definitely we will be reopening soon and we will let you know on our Facebook page. So keep on liking our page and keep on sending your messages or whatsoever. But definitely we will reopen and we will let everyone know. We're going to announce it soon. Okay, so yun. So habang hindi pa tayo busy kay Gustavo's Burgers, magluluto lang tayo ng mga ulam na madaling lutuin, and of course our merienda, we will try to cover that up as well. So thank you for tuning in and for listening or watching this video. I hope you like the recipes that we are making. Simple lang, pang nanay ang dating, kahit na busy sa work, kailangan may time pa rin magluto for the family. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye!